Good day, viewers. I'm wearing my GoPro helmet today just to show you what I wear when I'm out here mowing the grass. It's a lot simpler than a tripod. The one drawback is when I move my head, you're going to see the camera picture jump around. I usually try to hold my head fairly steady. Makes a good mount that way, but today I'm showing you part 2. Today I'm showing you part 3 of my mowing with my Zero Turn. Today's title is going to be Fire Ant Revenge. Yeah, you can't kill all these ants. You go through $1,000 worth of 50 or 100 ant mounds out there. There ain't much you can do with it without going broke. But today's Fire Ant Revenge video, besides being mowing with the Zero Turn, I'd put a little bit of Walter's Fire Ant Revenge in the video. You have to watch the mowing video to see just what my Fire Ant Revenge is. But the problem is, you can't really kill them. So I just mow them down with my lawnmower. Anyway, here we go with part 3. Today I'm in the process of cutting grass. I might do a couple of videos. Stop just a minute to view the traffic here and rest my bones. Ever since they put them curve signs up here, that people sure do slow down. Well, not everybody, some of them slow down. And a lot of wrecks right here. They used to come around this curve hauling buggy. Anyway, that's what Walter's doing today, cutting grass. Mowing the mound doesn't kill them, but it scatters their eggs for 500 miles. The ones that don't get chopped up, they have to go find them and bring them back home.